The Fine Breaker, Field Engineering's primary product, utilizes a special structural analysis program to reduce noise and vibration, and is the market leader with its unmatched durability. It uses Haddock's 400 steel, offering stronger corrosion resistance than ordinary steel, and anti-vibration cushions in the side dampers to minimize vibrations. The Fine Breaker also uses front dampers, eliminating the need for a pin tool. It has earned customer trust with its elegant and attractive design. Offering outstanding durability and performance, it uses strike adjustment systems and a technology for preventing empty strikes to expand the product's lifespan. Because the minimal number of parts allows easy maintenance, resulting in more profits for the customer, Field Engineering has earned global recognition for this outstanding product. The rock drill, developed to be attached to an excavator, offers top-notch efficiency. It can be connected to any excavator and is equipped with an auto rod changer, a dust collector, and an air compressor for fast and efficient drilling. It is capable of drilling up to 90 degrees upward, vertically to 9.1 meters from the center, and horizontally to a depth of 12.1 meters. It also provides a 10 to 15 degrees sideways tilt function. Field Engineering's concrete drills maximize operational efficiency by providing various functions. Furthermore, they are equipped with a powerful drifter with 20 kilowatts of performance to deliver fast drilling speeds. The sliding dust hood secures the operator's line of sight and helps to place the drilling rod accurately on the surface. The pre-cleaner removes big rocks to expand the filter span and increase dust collection performance. The wireless controller with a 50-meter range secures a wide range of vision, convenience, and safety for the operator. It can easily be attached and used by just connecting two hydraulic lines. Field Engineering fine breakers and rock drills, which were created through endless technological innovations, have earned the recognition of customers and the market. Field Engineering will become a global leader of the construction machinery industry.